Come on, baby, pick it up. You can do it. Oh, what the fuck?